Alrighty. Good evening, friends. It is your friend, CryptoFace. And officially back from vacation. Had a good vacation. Streamed one time since I was back. And I figured now would be as good of a time as any to potentially make a video, because I do believe that there might be a good little long position we can take advantage of with Bitcoin specifically. And it is one that I am putting out there, basically before it happens to everyone instead of my private groups, for better or for worse, for profit or for loss. And then I suppose we can take a look at a couple other things as well. Shitcoins, protocol shit tokens, tokens of shit tokens, and protocol tokens. Starting off, number one is the 12-hour. The VWAP on the bigger time frames, all time frames, but 4-hour, 12-hour, daily. This 12-hour one's been pretty good. When the VWAP breaches over to one side or the other, whether it's coming down, breach, price came down, and when it's coming up, boom, right here, price came up real good. You look at this one, yeah, that one was a little bit. This one coming up, yeah, that came up. Well, what price are these? Let's see here. 5% or whatever. But anyways, looking at this now, we do have the money flow overall decreasing on this 12-hour. But this is a pretty good looking VWAP, slightly outward curve coming up here. Looks like momentum's pinching. So I think there's some cheese, there's some meat to be taken here. And I'm taking it. Now remember, this is a 12-hour time frame. Each one of these candles is 12 hours, and this can take, well, let's look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe even 6. Divide that by 2, so 3 days. So this could be a 2-3 day play for potentially 10%, 5 to 10%, I think. Can maybe set a stop like 2.5% down, at this like 63,200 type of area. Nice little doji candle right here. We are on the hike on a sheet. Let's go to standard candles here. Yeah, looks good on the DBSI here on the 12-hour. Increasing bullish, decreasing bearish. Even better on the Sig Sauer. We see that we actually had the VWAP break up on the Sig Sauer. Actually increasing money flow. We got a little baby turtle to a mama turtle, technically speaking. RSIs are kind of meh. Neutral. Momentum has been kind of holding this level. Looks like it is coming up here. I think there's room here. I just think there's room in here for a nice little trade. Not looking to take the whole world down, take on the world. But I think there's some meat in here. Obviously, we are at this spiderland that needs to be broken. It is the weekend. It is the weekend. Let's go to the daily. Daily VWAP looks like it's almost there too. It's almost coming up. It's almost breaching. Hasn't confirmed. It can come up and turn around, right? But we're going to be looking for this to breach. There's a little momentum clip right there. You kind of got to zoom in. Momentum, little hitch right there, could be turning up. So we're going to be keeping our eye on this, and of course the lower time frame below that. See, wait for this baby to churn. Looking for this baby to churn. One hour, we kind of have definitely our RSI is increasing. Still oversold here. Increasing RSIs. We got that going for us, similar to this kind of trajectory right here. You know, we're right at about here. Right here. So there could be some room here. That was a good 10%er. 10% is probably my favorite percentage. 10% is my favorite percentage. Be nice to nail a nice 10% around this one. That put us right up at 71,000. Maybe a little less, maybe like a 7%er. I think there's 5 or 10% in here. Merch store will be open this week. I'll announce the domain name when that goes live. It's gonna sell out fast. The website's probably gonna be crashed, and you might be disappointed if you're not able to get one of the orders. We don't have that many units for this first order. I believe we're going to sell out of like our shirts and sweaters and crop tops and hats and stuff like that probably within the first day. And then we'll put a new order in. You know, we got to test the fulfillment and everything and make sure everyone gets all their stuff okay and everything's okay. And then we'll definitely put in a bigger batch order. I do believe the mugs won't be available yet. I think we need another week on that. MC Academy might be coming out this next week too. As well as the Market Cipher chat app. So we got a lot of stuff that's about to be launching this week, I'm pretty sure. So it should be a busy week coming up this next week for us. Anyway, so yeah, Bitcoin, I'm looking at a 5-10% gain over the next 1 to 3 days, I guess, something like that. ETH, well, ETH has been looking stronger for this past week. It doesn't look as promising as Bitcoin does. No real confirmations, but I don't see why this couldn't at least come back up to the 48s, I guess. Still thin. She's still a little thin. Nothing really exciting here. I guess the RSIs are up here. Yeah, not really looking for ETH long. Bitcoin looks a little better. How's our loop ring doing? We got in at $1.30 on loop ring. Hopefully this didn't crash and burn. Okay, 320, that's good. All right. How's shit been doing? What's going on? Oh, shit. Okay, she's still holding in the 5s. It looks like going to be looking for this money flow to be curving. It is in the red. Ooh, the 1 hour looks like it might have a couple chances at bat here. This might be building a platform for it to take off again, just like it has done in the past. Still only gone in 1/3 again of what I have allocated for another SHIB trade. I might put in that second third soon here, if not now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put in that extra third. As long as it's, 5 and above, I think we'll be okay. Hex, interesting one. The yellow X's 4-5 yellow X rule apparently has been playing out with Hex so far here on the 6 hour 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bang. Bought 100,000 worth of Hex. I don't remember at what point, but it looks like it's up 10% to 110,000. So yeah, I think I bought Hex at like 22 or something like that, 21. Bought 100k worth. It's at 110 as we speak right now. Still a little dangerous. Kind of had this move here. The 1 hour looks like it's coming back down. Not looking to jump in any more of that, I don't think yet. Maybe have this come back down and we'll see. What else, man? We'll take a look at that. We're looking at the fun coins. I don't really see 3 hour. Maybe this VWAP, maybe this money flow, maybe this momentum can start curving. What's going on with the 2 hour? Money flow increasing. Yeah, might be a little late on this, but there actually might be some juice in this. Dangerous, a little dangerous. A Ripple. Ripple at $1.18. All right, all right, all right. All right, all right. See if this momentum starts to clip. If this VWAP gets a little stronger. Nothing really exciting there. Huh. The 3 hour, 4 hour little VWAP coming down. Nothing really exciting. Nothing really seeing here on the 45 minute. You know, I will say the 45 minutes been a time frame that's got me into a little bit of trouble. A little bit of trouble on the 45 minute. You got to be careful with the 45 minute time frame. Looks like we got a little momentum clash going on here with Ripple, so I'm not really looking to make any action on this. The RSIs look decent on there, but too much cross action, tough acting, tenactin. Got too much cross action here. I'm not looking to touch that Ripple. What's going on with Charlie Lee? Charlie Lee, Charlie me, Charlie we. Another little fight, tough acting, action, tenactin going on here. What a pump. Good for them. So looking at the 12 hour, this VWAP could be curving up. Anyways, to me, Bitcoin looks like the best place I could squeeze a little 5 or 10% trade out of with the most confidence right now. And that's what my money's on. And we'll see what happens. Other than that, that's about it from the CF camp. A lot of stuff going on this week. Hopefully we get some things launched and live this week. Merch, the Academy, chat app. And missed you guys when I was on vacation. I wanted to stream when I was but I was on the noisier side of the hotel, so yeah. Other than that, been getting a lot of people hitting me up about the from the Zero Waiting interview we did. Man, that video is, I think, got like 100k views now. So shout out to Zero Waiting in that interview. That kid knows how to YouTube, and he's throwing me some pointers my way. Although I'm not really after views, never really been after views, and there's a certain way I like to do things. I don't like to try hard. I hate coming off try harding, you know. If I show up and say, if God puts me in front of someone, then he puts me in front of someone. You know what I'm saying? Look at this 6 hour, the 6 hour dual band strength index, -5 on the top, 18 on the bottom. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I'm seeing this strength increase. Like I said, I'm seeing the 5. Seeing the 5 and the 10. 5 or 10. And that's about it. Good luck to you. I'll see you guys around.